Welcome to this video on the Government of India Act of 1935. This analytical guide is designed to assist with your civil services preparation, examining what was the longest act passed by the British Parliament at the time and its lasting impact on India's constitutional framework. The 1935 Act was a response to failed reforms. It began with the 1927 Simon Commission, followed by 3 roundtable conferences between 1930 and 1932, and finally, a 1933 white paper. Together, these events established the groundwork for the Act. The Act proposed an all-India federation, uniting British Indian provinces and princely states. However, this structure failed to materialize because the princely states refused to participate, fearing they would lose their historical autonomy and privileges. Legislative powers were divided into 3 lists: the federal list, the provincial list, and the concurrent list. While the Act introduced provincial autonomy by empowering elected Indian ministers, residuary powers were still retained by the Governor-General. While Dyarchy was abolished in the provinces, it was introduced at the center. This meant the Governor-General maintained strict control over reserved subjects like defense and foreign affairs, while transferred subjects were advised by the Council of Ministers. Nationalist leaders rejected the Act. Jawaharlal Nehru famously called it a machine with strong brakes and no engine. Despite this, the Indian National Congress chose a tactical approach, contesting the 1937 provincial elections to challenge the system from within. The 1935 Act remains a foundational blueprint for our modern Constitution. Its influence is evident in several key areas, including our federal scheme, the structure of the Supreme Court, public service commissions, and emergency provisions.